The gloves are off in the world of short term rentals, and this time it's not about guests, it's about winning over hosts. Hi, I'm Yuvika Wahi, the head of content at Rental Scale Up, your go to news platform for the latest and most important insights in the short term rental industry. Today, we're diving deep into how Airbnb, Booking.com, and Vrbo, or the big three, are going head to head, or should I say host to host, in this heated battle. If you're a professional short term rental manager, this is one race you don't want to ignore. First up, let's talk about Booking.com. Booking recently launched their Open the Door campaign that hopes to attract hosts by making hosting look easy, appealing, and, well, profitable. They're also running these ads in French, signaling a massive push into the French market, which makes sense as France is one of the largest and most lucrative short term rental markets in the world. But what really sets Booking.com apart is their use of testimonials, not just from hosts, but also professional property management companies like Evolve. They're telling you, hey, if the pros trust us, you should too. And let's not forget their Travel Proud campaign, which was launched during Pride Month, which is all about inclusivity and tapping into the socially conscious guest market. Now, Booking.com didn't just stop there. They also recently partnered with rapper Ludacris to offer a unique stay at his Atlanta home. This is not the first celebrity partnership by Booking.com, but it is one approach that is commonly associated with Airbnb, simply because of the frequency of celebrity partnership that Airbnb does. While this partnership is oriented at guests, it's also saying to hosts, hey, if Ludacris trusts us, why wouldn't you? Next up, we've got Vrbo. Vrbo's latest ads position it as a platform for stress-free hosting, taking a subtle jab at Airbnb in the process. A strategy they've also used in ads targeted at guests. One ad features a father and son fishing with the promise of attracting repeat guests through their One Key Rewards program, something Vrbo is quick to point out other platforms don't offer. By other platforms, we can safely assume Vrbo means Airbnb, as the latter is known for its conspicuous lack of such a program. Another ad highlights longer stays, perfect for those who want to set it and forget it. Vrbo's message? We're the laid back choice. But don't think Airbnb is resting on its laurels either. With over 5 million hosts and 8 million listings, they already have the lion's share, but they're still pushing. Their new YouTube ad, Vacation Get Paid, targets occasional hosts, highlighting how easy it is to list your home while you're away and make that empty house work for you. They've also relaunched their Experience Co-host platform, connecting small property managers with homeowners, making it even easier to get started. So what's the takeaway for you, the professional short-term rental manager? Well, the big three are aggressively recruiting hosts to gain a competitive edge. More hosts means more listings, better quality control, and yes, more competition for you. By focusing on individual hosts, the platforms are also hedging against potential regulatory challenges. Occasional hosts and those offering private rooms are also less likely to face restrictions, at least for now, making them a more resilient segment in an increasingly regulated environment. And let's not forget the real kicker, price wars. More listings mean more pressure on prices. So if you're not already thinking about how to stay competitive, well, let's just say you might want to start now. But here's the good news. As professional managers, you have the expertise and the systems in place to thrive in this evolving landscape. Stay ahead by understanding these shifts, and you'll be in a prime position to leverage your strengths. Before we wrap up, if you found this insight helpful, make sure to subscribe to our free weekly newsletter where we share all the latest news and strategies to help you stay on top of the game. The competition might be heating up, but with the right approach, you'll be ready to win. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, in this business, staying informed is half the battle. See you next time.